Yeah, I think so, man. Yeah, I had to restart the Ethernet adapter because yeah, my internet's been down all day, so I've had to switch to the Starlink. But yeah, it's back up, so I'll switch back. Them levels still work no matter what it's on, though, man. There's a proper acknowledgement in that level there. Look, boom. Just missed it on the NQ. What, with the streaming, or with what I'm doing? I mean, I've got I mean, I kind of need to concentrate on the funded futures accounts I've got because they pay, and so that's what I personally need to do. And then what I was planning on doing was once I've done that, because obviously I'm in the London session. Sometimes I'm done before New York, So, and then I could have just done a bit of pre-market and whatnot. But I don't know. I'm not really looking for to be a big streamer or have a big channel or anything. I really was looking at just showcase the software a bit. But social media advertising might be a better way to go. What do you trade? Do you trade anything else bar the stocks? I was just short gold then from this level up here. So I'm normally, that's why I catch the early bird session, so I get them those small caps soon as they fire off, and I think that's the best time to get them, to be honest, mate. But yeah, the futures that normally has a London move, obviously, but the bigger moves do come in the New York session. But they've been working out all right today. Oh, you're doing a bit of both. All right, or a bit of everything, I should say. I haven't looked at crypto in ages. Not since my Cardano went down with everything else. Look. Oh, geez, not looking any better. Eek. Yeah, see, this is where I'm looking Cardano to come back from. It's always going to want this level down here, but it's gone deeper into that buy zone there. So I'm hoping 30 cents will hold down here or the middle, and then we go for another run. You're in Tesla. Still more on the downside to go. Did that just do? Let's check best X. Hey. Oh, just shy of that one. Yeah, I like so. Let's have a look on the smaller time frame. Yes, it was going down. Oh yeah, yeah, I like that. It might pop a little bit higher, but that might be done now for. Oh, it's power hour, isn't it? So potentially gonna give it off. Everything else is trying to push up at the moment, but Tesla always does its own thing right now, doesn't it? Yeah, we had one of the guys. I was we had one of the guys in a TTP room bought it. It's you got the only lifetime license actually, the one and only lifetime license. Yeah, Scotty C. So we had a big session. I think we was on there for about 2.5 hours. I think we was going through it, but he was quite yeah, he loves it. He loves it. Reckons it's turned his trading around, which is good to hear. But yeah, it's got loads in it. Not like I just never used to talk about the other aspects of it, like these timing lines that predict a turn. Well, they predict momentum, but half the time they pick the top or the bottom as well. And the trend lines that it picks out the first, it takes 2 points to draw the kind of trend line. Well, it gives you the first one, so you don't have to kind of wait. And you can run them up each swing as well. That's kind of what the crosshair is for, actually. Because if you stay between these trend lines, you're going to pretty much trend all day. If you start falling through them straight away, you're going to go down to the liquidity pool, which is kind of how it works. But yeah, Tesla looks like it's done them all day, isn't it? Yeah, so we've got one there, one there, one there. So at the minute, Tesla's been holding every buy side, and the VWAP is the next one. And you're probably at one right now as well, yeah. So you're smacking one right now. It's tight though, isn't it now? Really tight. So unless the rest of the market comes off as well. Seems odd looking at Nvidia at $130. I was so used to it being up there 800, 900, 1,000. It just looks odd it being that price. Yeah, but that's been on a runner today. That's why I got these tapes in here. Although these have moved about a bit, I should change. What's going on here? That's a bit better. Yeah, so NQ sitting pretty in between two levels at the moment. So look at the NQ trades. Look at that one there, and this one here, and this one deep into this level from earlier. Stopped bang on it. So yeah, I don't know whether NQ is still looking up here. I don't know what it's got, about 40 minutes or so. Yeah, that is right. Yeah, it's what I didn't notice the price of Tesla. What is the price of Tesla? Cheaper than Tesla now? Oh no, Tesla's still in the 180s though. Yeah, it's nice to be able to get some. Trading $1,000 not so good, is it? Nvidia's starting to pop there now. That was the Nvidia trade right there. 4:15 if you hadn't called it any earlier, that is. It's catching that first one. That first one is just the best one. That one right there. I mean, you never know it's going to go to the moon or not, obviously, on any given day, but that was such a massive first. So that swing there is probably going to give it a couple of days. Where are we? Yeah, so up to 138 at some point. Still seems odd saying it. $183.69. What are those previous supports? What's that business? Yeah, 8:30 and then 8:50, and it's not 8, is it? It's 3:30 and then 3:50. Are those? That's when it does something at that 3:50 time. There's normally a burst of energy that comes in. Did Tesla do it last night? Yeah, it's that one there. Just that little pump. Good for a couple of dollars normally. $1.50. So that could get you down there. I'm trying to catch this gold. If that can hold, that's got legs on it for either the overnight or tomorrow. Who'd you trade with on futures? Did you ever go at the Rule of the Pool competition as well? So looks like we're through there now. Just under. Yeah, I get you. I get you. Yeah, I don't think I've even opened the scanner this past week. think they've all exhausted themselves going sideways, these tickers at the moment. Be lovely to get a push down to here before the close. Yeah, I think it's just to drum up some business, isn't it? Get a bit of interest going for those new customers, those new punters. There's a push from Apple. Where's that want to go? Almost there. Still pushing. Two there. See which one the benchmarks want. Oh, both potentially. 215.23, 216, and then up there, so the mid-level. The mid-level on Apple. Yeah, it's funny, isn't it? Thanks for that. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what makes it work. I don't know what that algo wants, but it obviously doesn't care unless there's people like, a huge amount of people watch. Well, yeah, not a huge amount, but a couple of hundred. It's it would be nice, and that's where futures is trending right at the moment. So I'll probably have a go at that. Like I say, it don't matter to me what I trade. But it is kind of funny because you're just looking at the same. Well, you don't even have to look at the same four things, right? You could just trade one index, or just trade crude, or just trade gold, because there's enough opportunity and enough momentum all the time. Pretty much all the time. Certainly the first couple of hours. Yeah. Yeah, I think you're right. I think it needs a few social media ads. But I've never actually seen social media ads for a YouTube channel. Do you know what I mean? I've seen the odd video in my Google stream, but everything else, like on the TikTok ads and Insta ads, all seems to be, if I was advertising LiquiVision, like actually just the software or whatever, or the link to that landing page on the website or any of that, I think it would work. But I don't know about YouTube. Yeah, maybe, yes. It's certainly, I haven't seen anyone that, kind of does that analysis ahead of time, put it that way. I know we can all draw a box and a chart and bring it over, but we'll see how it goes. Need to drum up a bit of business, as you say. See if we want that one. This moving average has held every time so far, more or less. How's Tesla going for you? Come on there. You got this one. If I bring it down, you can see. Yeah, there's a 9. There you go. 11s, 14s. Come on. Get 'em on. Another push. Another red slam of 10 or 11 will be nice. Drop it like it's hot. Come on. There we go. There's a 10, 11. There you go. Come on. Yes, you can get that right now because that first swing, I don't think it took it all earlier, did it? Yeah, you've still got this guy down here, which would be nice if you can. If we can break through the current one. And fill that one. We did tag it earlier. But you'd need, yeah, that's the 330. And you want to crack through that before, otherwise you're going to have to wait for the bloody 350. How far does it want to go from this high? Yeah, that looks good. 183.40. Things carry on. We need to get through there. Gotcha. See how they creep up? See that tape running off that on that Tesla? So it's dropping at 11s. It's coming up on 4s. So hopefully another 2 minutes maybe. Now we're dropping at 2s, so the sellers are coming back in, but there was a low attempt. That was a low attempt. Let's see what NQ is doing. Almost guaranteed NQ will pop that top before it drops again. Can you hear that tape? Or is it faint? Can't hear it. About that. Our little pops. Tesla's coming back on a 6. Yeah, that was it. Come on now. You want this guy up at 11 or 12? Come on, Tesla. Apple and Microsoft still pushing the NQ up by the looks of it. So it's a weak attempt. Oh, mind you, the big boys coming in now. Nvidia. No, not enough. Where's the one that's got a fail for Nvidia to drop? Yeah. Oh, that's buy side. So trapped. So that's the same as Tesla. You can get Nvidia. You might bring Tesla along with it to crack here. If not, you've got another 12 minutes. Nvidia's on 10s at the lows. Too accurate them views. Oh, thanks for the like. Them polls, I mean, not the views. 2 views. Too accurate the views. The polls. Come on, let's do this gap. Quiet on the tape here. NQ, Nvidia. So is Nvidia pushing that level now or not? It's going to try. Keys when they all go. If you can get these up to 26, that starts bringing this one up to about 12 on the NQs when you get a flush. Third level. Minutes till that injection comes in. Oh, I'm still short gold. Don't really want it to come up here, to be honest, but it looks like it's going to. If it holds, might be able to get a little add. Oh, Tesla's coming off on the 6s. Come on now. Behave. Don't want it up there. Come on, just drop. Minutes. I just want that gold to roll now rather than go into that. The gap's a good one on gold, but I don't know whether that's for this evening or not. Oops. queue is just snoozing at the minute. That's just trapped, so it wants one or the other. So we'll use this one once, this one once. Alright, here we go. Come on. Where's that micro? Yeah, you got to break that. Got to break that. Tens. Can you flush? Here we go. Come on. Video with it. Amazon with it. Tesla won't come. Come on, Tesla. Now they're going to need to do that again. That's not going to be enough. That's not going to be enough. You're going to have to wait another 5 minutes now. Yeah, coming up, I reckon. Alright, here comes another punch. Nvidia is going to try and run that at 11s. No. Alright, is this the back side of it? It can drop now. Nvidia's going to come in. Yep, Nvidia's broke. Nvidia's got a gap now down to 134. Gonna try again. Here they come. Testers on 5s. They position it. Up to fill, come on now. Yeah, you too, Trade Life. Thanks for popping in, man. Take it easy. Good cover, I think, mate. Yeah. Will do, my man. Will do. Here we go. Come on. Here we go. Target 171. Ooh, there's the 350. Seriously, going over the top one now? Come on. Although, actually, that was the one from previous. Which one? Oh, that's why. Straight off there like a rocket, huh? Gold. Oops. GC. Gold's gone in for its sell side. Be nice if that rejected off. Have you got anything left, gold, to come down? $44 would do. Looks like Q wants to go for 8s, 10s. Thank you. One set up here. Wants this pull. That's your 350. Everything green. So that'll be that, I think. Might have another little push if Nvidia can keep on in the double digits here. Yeah, I'm on gold. Come on, gold. There we go. Double digits on gold. Come on, crack through this pool here. Crack through that pool. Can you do it for me? No, you've pinpointed that low, haven't you? Come on, I thought you could do that for me. Is that it? And all you got before the close? You're going to try and push that out. You'll drop if you can get through that. That's the wrong way, gold. I know it's weak, but come on. NQ's just hit the sell side now. Tagged. One to the other, one to the other. See if it wants 213. Look at that NQ coming off that level now, look. Straight in, straight out. New level. New level. $30. think that's it, guys. We're over and out for today.